I'm Maria Hoffman, and welcome back to Tampa Home Group TV. Thanks for joining us again today. And I've brought Jim Martin from the Welch Group Insurance here today.
How you doing?
To talk to all of us about a really important topic, and that is sinkhole coverage. And you know, Jim, I work with a lot of buyers that are new to the state of Florida, and we have to have this conversation about what are sinkholes, what is sinkhole coverage, and what do I need to know. So, you know, can you just tell us, can you explain to us, Jim, what is a sinkhole?
It's a good question. I'm sure if anybody's been here for any amount of time, you can turn on Bay News 9 at any point in the year and see one. But basically a sinkhole is a collapse of the ground.
Okay.
And it could be, you know, where a cave opened up underneath. It could be from where a water main was leaking and the ground has collapsed. But it's any type of collapse of the ground.
Okay, and here in Florida we tend to have a more porous type of ground.
We do.
So
we do,
we're
absolutely.
more prone to the sinkholes.
We are.
Okay, so Jim, can you explain to us the different types of insurance coverage? You know, what is, I guess we call it catastrophic ground collapse cover versus the sinkhole endorsement?
Right, so great job on that, by the way. I love how you do that.
I've been studying.
That's good, that's good. Yeah, so basically you have your catastrophic ground collapse, which is a mandatory coverage on your homeowner's policies, and then you have damage from settlement or earth movement, which would be the sinkhole coverage or endorsement that you can add to the policy.
Okay, so Jim, if I have a homeowner's policy, regular policy, that does cover catastrophic ground collapse, and how is that defined?
All policies cover that in Florida from a standard carrier, and that is defined as all four of the following things must happen in order for the policy to pay.
Okay.
There has to be a sudden collapse of the ground that is visible to the naked eye, structural damage to the home and foundation, and the governing body in that area condemns the property.
That certainly is catastrophic.
That is. That is.
And so in your experience, though, most claims probably don't meet all four of those criteria, correct?
Correct. In many cases, you will have three, but the big one is the condemnation orders.
Okay.
It's uninhabitable. It may take a while to get to that.
Okay. So explain to us what's going on in the insurance industry as far as the other type of coverage, the non-catastrophic coverage.
Absolutely. So that endorsement is really, that's kind of the situation we're in right now is because of the endorsement. In that one, you don't have to have the condemnation orders. If you just have any type of damage, your policy is going to pay. And the industry has changed when it comes to that in that it's hard to get. There's only one carrier at which it's currently available, and that is Citizens Property and Casualty.
Okay.
It's an inspection process and a lot of other factors that go into that. They make the decision, but your independent agent can advise you through that process if that's something that you want to take advantage of.
Okay, so that's a conversation that someone should have with their agent if they want to pursue that. Okay, I know I currently have the sinkhole endorsement on my existing policy, so I already have it. I should just hold on to it then.
You definitely should hold on to that. We have clients that call us, or folks that want to move to our agency, and if we see they have that endorsement, we actually encourage them to stay where they are unless it's just unaffordable.
So, well, wow, I'm sure that your clients appreciate that.
I hope that they do. We think they do.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So, well, this is a great topic, Jim. You know, can I just ask you this? What's the reason, you know, for these changes in the insurance industry? I mean, I've heard it said that the amount of money paid out in sinkhole claims is actually rivals the amount that's been paid out in hurricane claims. Is that true?
There's a lot of money that's gone out. A great resource for your clients would be the Florida Office of Insurance Regulation. You can visit their website. One of the facts from that website is between 2006 and 2010, the insurance industry paid out about $3.6 billion.
With a B.
Billion with a B in sinkhole claims. In the state of Florida alone. And so, you know, that's changed the laws. They've changed somewhat. It's been tougher to get the endorsement. It's tougher now to receive or get payout from a claim on endorsement.
I see.
So, those things that you should know, something, once again, your independent agent should be able to advise you on.
Well, thanks, Jim. You know, you're always a great resource.
All right,
I appreciate you coming out today.
Absolutely.
So I hope this was helpful, friends. And if you'd like to have a conversation or continue this conversation with Jim, or you certainly can continue it with your own agent, we encourage you to do so. We want to make sure that your questions are answered. So thanks for watching Tampa Home Group TV, and take care.